everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to try and solve Cheat 3's hide and seek puzzle box. It looks pretty hard, and if you want to figure out how to build it, don't forget to check out their channel. It's really cool. So let's get started. So we can just touch around the box, make sure there's nothing that you can press in or slide. I don't think there is. No tiles on top that slide. So next, the first thing I see to do is take out this axle. Then this spins, obviously, and stick it through here. I don't think that did anything. Stick it through here. That doesn't do anything. Wait. These slide, so we slide this, will it come out? I don't think so. So keep spinning, and then it looks like this will come out, but it doesn't. Can we maybe spin this all the way around? This one twists too. This is just the start, and it's pretty hard. Are we supposed to find a way to push that in? I feel like we're supposed to twist this, so we need to turn this. Are there any holes that go all the way through? This one comes out the other end, I believe. No, it does not. Okay. This hole doesn't come out the other end. This one, I think actually does. Nope, it doesn't. Okay. There's an axle hole right here. Oh, that pushed back. Whoops. Well, that definitely did something, but what exactly did it do? It slid this over. Now, what can we do with that? Can slide it back. It doesn't look like it's lined up with anything in the back, but we can try it. So let's just insert our axle. And yeah, it's not hooked up to anything in the back. I'm just gonna make sure there isn't. Yeah, it's not hooked up to anything in the back. Does this scoot over at all? Pull it back, twist it. So I just figured out that this can twist. This is going to be a long video because this is already difficult. I don't think I've really figured much out. Except that. That's new. Okay. So, let's twist this. Is this lined up with anything in the back? Let's try it. No, nothing there. And if we go here. Oh, there's something there. That did something. Okay. This drawer, I think, has 5 pegs in the back. You need to unlock all of them. So that was one of them. And now we need to find out how to unlock the rest. So next let's try the one on the top left up here. So we're going to need to find a way to line something up with the top left. So the only way we could do that is by twisting this. Does this twist anymore? Oh wait, what's... I think there's another one. That's another one. This is really interesting. Okay, this one doesn't do anything. No. Let's pull this back up. Start at the basics again. Push back, okay. So either of these holes come out anywhere? I don't think they do. No, okay. Really difficult when it's the box inside of a box. There we go. Now, how do we align this? Just right there, okay. Need to try and get this out. There we go. Then, if it's possible, all I need to do is, just did the same thing. Okay, no, that's still not. Those are already ones I got, and I think, let me just make sure, yeah. So I already got this one, yes, but if I turned it around, was there one here? Okay, I think, I don't know how many that was. Does this drawer come out yet? Still not yet. Okay, so let's keep trying more arrangements. Twist this. That's another one. Now does the drawer come out? There must be one more somewhere. Let's try it this. I feel like all we have left is that top one, but it's on the side, so I don't know how to reach it. How do we get that all the way to the side? It doesn't seem like we can. Unless there's another, it's just this. How do you get this? So if I could just twist it one more, and that would be right on the edge. Let's turn this back. And we've been doing this for like 9 minutes already. Okay. So we do have a glass brick right here, which should allow us to slide, but there must be something on top from that makes it not slide. Okay, I'm just gonna check. Does this yellow thing move at all? I think it was actually part of the thing, so probably not. Maybe I can just do it at an angle. Maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. I don't know if I can do that. I got it halfway through. It's halfway through. Come on. So close. I'm just gonna go off camera for a minute. How on earth do you twist that? You can only twist it this way. And over here. You can't twist it any other way. I feel like I might have done something wrong because I feel like this glass brick is supposed to allow this to slide. It should, but it's not allowing it to. Oh, what was that? That just pushed in. That's new. I think that's new. I'm gonna keep it like that. I feel like that was something we were supposed to do. I've got an idea. Let's push this back, pull this out, turn it. I can hear the money in there, in the back, but I just can't get that. Push, pull, twist. That's really about as much as you can do. Or can you just go like this? Maybe if I can just move this. I don't know how I didn't think of this. Maybe if I can just move this out of the way. Then, okay, I think I just figured it out. See this? You're supposed to scoot that back. Put it in here. I think I just unlocked the drawer. Okay. Which one did I not unlock? Just gonna make sure I got. Let me just see if there's any. Yeah, I'm missing this one right here. There we go. Okay, now which one's missing? We got that one out, that one out. We've got that one out. And got that one out, so it should come out. Okay, what's blocking this? Let's just try. No? There's nothing that pushes in or out. This should slide. There's a brick right here. Maybe in the video, one of their bricks, what they call Franken bricked, and so that's why this doesn't come out. Let me just try this. I'm sure it was supposed to come out. Let's just see this. So we have all this here. Let's put it back on. So I think it is supposed to be like that. Okay, line that up. Okay. So it is, I think it is supposed to be like that, but this does not slide. But this does not slide. No, there's nothing that slides in here. I am pretty certain that this is supposed to come out. I'm just gonna check this whole wall back here to make, oh wait, what's this? What is this? Okay. Oh. There we go. We got our money. Yes. I didn't really cheat. I didn't see how it worked, so I just opened it up to make sure how we were supposed to do it. We have our pins that fell out, and we have our money right here. This was a very long one. This is what we're going to do for the new puzzle boxes of the week instead of what we used to do of me making one. We're just going to do one from another channel and create it. And then we're going to try and solve it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't worry. And have a great day today. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see me solve other puzzle boxes, and if you want to see me solve your puzzle box sometime, don't forget to like and subscribe especially. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day today, and goodbye.